Hey guys, I'm back here with another tutorial. I'm gonna be teaching you guys the WOP dance, alright? The one that been, that you see little Ava in my videos doing. So let's get to it. So we're gonna start off like this. So this dance starts like what? I can't go to the right, so I'm gonna go to the left. So you're gonna lean this way. Come on. Then, since I'm a guy, I'd be like what? You know, the ladies be doing the little.
Didn't know what happened to your hand.
Oh, guys, I don't have the brace on right now, but I fractured a bone and injured a ligament, but still good. And it was a little dislocated, but he's good.
He's strong, guys.
So you lean this way. Wow. Gonna get up. Gonna boom. Gonna turn this way. So gonna clap. Then boom. Then wiggle. Alright, so we're gonna do it one more time. So drop it to the ground. What? Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Boom. Then and what? Gonna get up. Boom. Turn. And wiggle. And then you're gonna do that little comedic dance, You feel me? So you do it anyway. You can sauce it up how you want to. Ain't that right? Thank you. Alright, so yeah, so what? And then next pose, play dead like or, if you want to exaggerate, extra far in them, fall on the floor, what? And then what's the next one? Take a photo, like this, so you can pose, boom. And what? And then, shorty bad, she gonna walk past. So you gonna look at her, and she fine. And what? And then that last part is boom, gonna cross. You gonna come up, right hand on the left shoulder, and then left hand on the right shoulder. You'll lift up your right knee, wow. Or your left knee if you're comfortable. Either way. So you're gonna go from the top. Alright, so 3, 2, 1. You okay?
Oh, dang it.
You look like you're having a seizure. Nuh-uh.
Oh, dang it.
Hey, you right there. Pay attention, man.
Oh, dang it.
In fact, get up.
Damn, are you old daily?
Old daily. Let's see if he was paying attention. So guys, he was supposed to be watching, learn the dance. So we're gonna see if he can complete the dance. Let's see. Alright, trials. 3, 2, 1. I saw 1. Up to the floor. And what? Now lean. That's what it is. The what? Hey, why you walking like that?
For real. What you mean?
Now go ahead. Do your thing. What's after that?
Don't be whopping with that.
What's after that?
Can I confess?
Hey. You gotta confess. You wasn't paying attention.
Nah.
Go sit down, man. Next. Hello out there. I don't even know if I want to ask you. Like, you're not gonna touch me because I'm green? Sir.
Oh.
Hey, yo.
Sorry, just a flashback.
Flashback.
Alright.
How we doing this one?
Alright, we doing tryouts, alright? 3,
All right.
2, 1. Let's get it. Drop to the floor. And wow, wow, wow. Now lean. Wow, wow. Turn around and. Okay, interesting. And wow. See, should have pay attention. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Be quiet. Shh. What's after that? Play dead. Wow, wow, wow. What's after that? Yep. Pose. Wow, wow. After that, yeah, she fine. And don't look this way. I ain't no lady. And wow. Alright, what's after that? Then what? Speed it up. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. What you gotta say, man? Come here.
Hey, I
Start
got
it.
something to say.
You gotta say.
You the bulb to my tree.
You the star to my galaxy.
You the sock to my shoe.
Man, you the jacket to my shirt.
Yeah, I know I'm posting there.
It's okay. You're the toothpaste to my toothbrush.
Hey, yeah. No, I'm not.
Where I spit it out.
That's him.
What?
That's him.
Ah,
You swallow the toothpaste?
Yeah, that's
You
it.
swallowed it?
no, I don't swallow toothpaste.
Alright, guys, so yeah, I'm about to wrap up this dance real quick. I'm gonna do it one more time for you guys, and then we're gonna end this video, alright? So, drop to the floor, drop to the. Okay. Drop to the floor, drop to the floor. Now, wah, 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 wah. Now, lean. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Now wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wow, wow, wow. Play that like. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Like, hey, she fine. Wow, wow, wow. Beat it up like. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this tutorial. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification button. And anything else?
Subscribe to Almighty Arts, you already know.
You wanna shout yourself out?
Official J Smooth, you feel me?
You know, green guy,
Yeah.
Shafar SJC. And yeah, and let me know in the comments what dance you want me to do next. Hey, go ahead.
Hey, you the tissue to my nose.
I ain't the tissue nothing.
Oh, you blowing your nose?
No.
Yeah,
No lipstick to my lips.
You know what? Let's sit down. Let's sit down. You too. I don't know why you even came over
What?
here.
You told me you stand.
You act like you had something to say. You came over here saying some sus. You
Gum gum.
being a little fruit.
Clap.
And this man talking about some gum clap. Like, come on, man.